Hi friends, welcome back. So in this video, we will learn about shift left testing. So we'll try to understand what is all about shift left testing, especially as we move towards latest development methodologies like Agile testing. Use shift left testing. First, we will try to understand why shift left testing is very much required. In traditional way, if you can see right, in traditional way, so we are doing requirements, design, coding, then we will be doing a testing here. Most of the testing will happen in the last phase of the release. That is where, if you can see right, all the testing, the major testing will be happening at the end of the release. If you can see right, in the beginning there is not much testing activity is performed here. That means all the issues, all the problems will be get exposed in the last phase of the release. That means the more issues will come up. It may happen that releases may get delayed or releases might get postponed into the future. Because of this, lot of unfavorable situations happen for any given businesses. This is what happens in a normal traditional way of testing, like in waterfall model. When we started using this shift left testing, what will happen? When we start early our testing by involving QA or testing team in the early phase of the development, what will happen? If you can see right, our testing team is getting involved in the requirement phase itself. Majority of the testing of the requirements, designs, everything will be getting done in the beginning of the phase. Because of this, more issues will come out, like requirement gathering issues or coding issues. Everything will be popping up in the beginning. Yes, at the end of the release, we will see a lesser testing and lesser issues. What are the benefits we normally get out of this shift left testing? The first advantage is it improves the quality of the product of the application, because we are trying to test everything in the beginning. Because of this, there is a lot of quality conscious will be there in the team that would help in improving the better quality of the application or a product. The second is because we are able to find issues well in the beginning itself. Because of that, it reduces the dev and testing overall cost and the efforts of the dev team and testing team. The third one is it also helps because we are trying to bring in testing early in the game. The test automation also gets lot of push, and we can bring lot of test automation in this area as well. The fourth one is because we are trying to fix as many issues well in the beginning. That means lot of unnecessary maintenance of the tests also will reduce us. And the fifth one is it increases the overall test coverage, and also because we use shift left testing, especially in agile projects, we get customer feedback also very early in the game. Because of this reason, shift left is very beneficial, especially if you operate it out in agile testing world. I am hoping you guys got a clear idea what is all about shift left testing and what are the various benefits we get out of this shift left testing. If you guys really like this video, then please give a thumbs up to this video. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.